Hello, everyone. Today we're going to go over Leonardo AI blueprints. So, this is basically a beginner's guide to faster, smarter image generation. So, if you've ever found yourself stuck tweaking settings endlessly or struggling to recreate a specific look, this is exactly what you need. So, blueprints are essentially pre configured templates that handle all the heavy lifting for you. They combine optimized models, intelligent settings, and proven workflows so you can focus on your creative vision instead of wrestling with technical details. What makes blueprints so powerful is consistency and speed. So, once you understand how they work, you will generate professional quality results in minutes instead of hours. So, let me show you exactly how to use them. So, to find blueprints, log into your Leonardo dashboard. You'll notice there's a blueprints button. You can find it either directly under the main prompt box or on the left sidebar. So here or here. Click either one and you'll land on the blueprints page. So let's go to that page. So you'll see a gallery of different workflows, each designed for specific creative goals. So at the top, there are category filters that help you narrow down what you're looking for. So if you want to create professional portraits, you'd head to photographers and videographers. If you need product mockups, check out the product and marketing section or marketing professionals. The interface makes it easy to browse and find exactly what you need. So let's do an example. So let's say we wanted to create a professional portrait. So select the blueprint. I'm going to navigate to the photographers and videographers section. And the one I'm going to use is actually called the magazine editorial portrait. So we'll just search for that. Let's just put magazine. Interesting. Go to four. Maybe it's, here we are. So this blueprint is designed to give you that clean professional look, like exactly what you see in this example here. So we're going to click on that. And once you click on it, a panel will open up with setup instructions. So the first step is simple. You need to upload a photo of yourself. You can either click to choose from your library that you already have, or you can upload a brand new image. So I'm going to let me just use this one here. Click confirm. After selecting your image, you need to click confirm to add it to the blueprint. And then there's no prompting involved or anything like that to generate this professional shot. You literally just have to upload that picture and click on generate. Now, it will cost 120 credits, but you get 3 different variations and the results are worth it. So let's click on that, generate. So it usually takes about 20 to 30 seconds. You'll get 3 thumbnail variations. So when they come up, we'll see how they've turned out. Okay, so that's completed. Now you just need to click on them to see a bigger version of it. So we'll click on that one there. So as you can see, it's followed the reference image that I gave it pretty spot on. Only thing I would probably change is just the realism of the skin and things like that, but that's easy done. Overall, it's fantastic. So let's close out of there and we'll have a look at the other ones. So this one, again, looks exactly like my reference image. So perfect. And the last one, great. They all look like the same person in every single shot. So that's fantastic result that AI has kept the look consistent across all 3 images. So it's impressive how well the blueprint preserves your facial features and expression while applying that professional magazine aesthetic. So your likeness stays intact. It's not some generic transformation. So if you want to tweak something though, there's a text box at the bottom where you can describe changes. For example, you could add a prompt like add a silver necklace around her neck. Click generate, which costs another 40 credits, keep in mind. So the system processes this and generates a new version with your requested change. So yes, it does cost extra credits, but you're getting real targeted edits. So as you can see in the bottom right corner here, it says generation successful. So let's click on view. And as you can see, it's added a silver necklace right there. So fantastic. Now, I definitely recommend upscaling your images. So that one, as you saw, turned out a little bit blurry, but if you were to upscale this image, it would be crisp and perfect. So let's go over another example. So let's look at something more business focused. Imagine you need professional mock-ups of your logo in realistic settings, maybe on a computer screen, a billboard, or packaging. Normally, this would require hiring a designer or running an expensive photo shoot, but with blueprints, you can do it in minutes. So choose the right blueprint. We're going to go to the marketing professionals section and we're going to select brand mockup. So let's just find that one and mockup. Perhaps. There we are, brand mockup. So just click on that. Now, all you need to do here is upload your logo or brand elements. So let's upload. I've got my logo in here already. Yeah, right there. So click confirm. So next you'll describe the scene. So you'll see a text prompt field and you don't need to write a complex technical instruction like you would if you were just generating an image from scratch. You just need to describe what you want in plain language. So my prompt is going to be simple. I'm going to put on a desktop computer screen in a modern workspace. Well, actually, I'm going to put in a futuristic workspace. Right. Now, this will cost another 120 credits. But again, like the last blueprint, you will get 3 different variations of this. So let's click on generate. And look at that. I mean, that's a brilliant result. So as you can see, it's taken my logo and it's done exactly what I asked. It's put my logo on a desktop computer screen. And as you can see, this is a very futuristic workspace. Let's look at the second. Again, fantastic. And again, brilliant. So that's perfect. Now you can take it a little bit further. Once you have a mock-up you like, you can do even more. So there's a create video section, which is an option that transforms your static image into an animated clip. So you can select a video model. We'll just go back to the library and we'll click on one of these images that generated. So I'm going to pick this one. And then we can click on create video. I'm going to use Kling video model and I'm going to write the prompt, slowly pan to the left, and then we're going to click on generate and wait for that to complete. Okay, so that's completed. So look at this. It's done exactly what I asked. It's panning to the left. And yeah, this little video from the image that we created would be great for a professional video clip that's perfect for website headers or social media reels or presentation intros. So that's perfect. I am impressed by that. So now you can also have fun with creative blueprints. So not everything has to be business focused. Leonardo offers some really creative, entertaining blueprints too. So basically the key takeaways from this module with Leonardo AI blueprints is speed. What used to take hours of tweaking now takes minutes. You're not starting from scratch every time and you're not having to write complex prompts. So absolutely beginner friendly. Consistency, blueprints ensure your results look professional and cohesive. The AI handles the technical complexity of that. Flexibility, even after generating, you can refine results with text prompts, upscale to higher resolution, or turn images into videos. Accessibility, you don't need to be a prompt engineer or have deep technical knowledge. The interface guides you through each step. Variety, from professional headshots to brand mock-ups to creative fun, there's a blueprint for almost any creative goal. So, some tips to get the best results. Experiment. Spend time exploring different blueprints, test them with your own images and ideas, because small changes to prompts or reference images create noticeably different outputs. Quality matters. The better your input image, the better your result. So a clear, well-lit photo will always outperform a blurry one. Iterate until you're satisfied. So don't settle for the first result. Use the refinement tools to dial in exactly what you're looking for. Combine workflows, which is you generate an image with one blueprint, then use that result as input for another blueprint. You can build powerful creative chains this way. And review before committing. So always check the full size preview before deciding to upscale or move forward. Make sure it matches your vision. The bottom line, blueprints fundamentally change how you work with AI image generation. So instead of spending your creative energy on technical settings and prompt engineering, you can focus on what actually matters, which is your ideas and vision. The more you use them, the faster your workflow becomes. You'll start to understand which blueprints work best for your projects, how to tweak prompts for better results, and how to combine different tools to achieve exactly what you're imagining. So whether you're creating professional content for work, building marketing assets for your business, or just having fun with creative experiments, blueprints are one of those tools that genuinely opens up new possibilities once you get comfortable with them. Start exploring, test some different combinations, and see what you can create. I'd love to see the results in the community if you would like to post them in there. So thanks, guys. I will see you in the next module.